Buddha ate the soup. I'm sorry, man. It's just this confusion with an illusion with an A to vickiness of what this per se would. Oh shit, being only the annual biddingness and with a several willingness, like before the amphibians came the drizzleness, the drilliness of the drill bugs, roly-poly slugs, and out, smug mugs out, dug mug, smiles in the bug, without hugging the hug, without not a hug. As a hug can come from a strange place where it long begun. And I remember the time I got spotted a dime or a nickel when I came through Hickory Dickory Capable, and that little fucking tax time did my fine on the line. Like I can't even speak my lines, I just speak my lines like I am. And that who this deeper depends. I cannot take these bends of these chilly almond kids with their vaginal vagus nerve spit on top of my hidden sandal lips, hidden sandal hips, or hidden sandal soles, like CO and Kawariana. Like there was still a good lesson in that which was overextending your presence as parental to create the illusion of the better student, man, better brooding, man, not to come to Bula, man, you'll do your Uda shit, man, it's with this soupy, lungy tomato spit, like yesterday is tomorrow, like how far I follow into the thorough hollow. It's just a holodeck, man. It can't expand, but you're following my bandit plans like you ain't even rocked up enough to sniff this bass drum. Like homework, homework, homework.